everybody, and welcome to LK Lifestyles. This is Laura. Thanks for joining me today as I show you a video on the process I use to make homemade hot sauce. I'm going to start by taking 3 Poblano peppers, 1 I believe Serrano pepper, and 2 Habanero peppers. First we have to ferment our peppers for about 7 to 10 days, and I use a little bit of special equipment. These are called pickle pebbles and pickle pipes, and I've been using them for years because I do quite a bit of fermenting. But you can use a stone or a small ramekin to hold your veggies down. So get your hands gloved up and cut your peppers into small pieces. And you don't really get a lot of waste out of this. If you have a few seeds in there, that's okay. And you're going to add to a mason jar a tablespoon and a half of salt. I'm using just plain sea salt that I get at Costco. And once you add this and the garlic to your mason jar, you're going to add a little bit of fresh filtered water and swirl it around, and make sure that you crush your garlic up a little bit. And after you add the water, you're going to swirl it around just to dissolve a little bit of the salt. And then you're going to add your peppers to the mason jar. Top it off with some fresh filtered water and weigh down your vegetables. See, that's why I like these pickle pebbles. And because I have this pickle pipe, I don't really have to burp it as often, but you can just put a regular lid on. Just make sure that you burp your vegetables every 2 to 3 days. And I'm going to take it over here and put it over on the back of my counter, where I'm also fermenting some sweet kimchi. And while I'm here, I will burp these 2 little bit just to get some air out of them, and they will sit there for 7 to 10 days. I'm checking it after 3 days, and there's a tiny bit of bubble happening. It's definitely not ready yet, but the bubbles are happening and the water is getting a little bit cloudy. So I'll give it just a little pinch, let some air out, and 5 days later, so a total of 8 days, and the bubbles are happening and I'm ready to blend my hot sauce. So I'm going to take my peppers and drain them, and I'm going to reserve some of the brine. You can use it for cooking if you like, but the veggies smell really strongly vinegary, and the garlic is fermented. That's why it's blue. And I'm going to add it to my blender with a 1/4 cup each of the brine, vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of cane sugar. So this is all stuff that you have right in your house. And as soon as we add all of the ingredients, we're going to blend it, and that will make it smooth. You can blend it as coarsely as you like, but I'm going to try and get it really pureed. And there it goes. It's blending away. Give it about a minute and it will virtually turn itself into hot sauce. You can see it's pureeing very nicely and it smells perfect. And I transferred it to a glass jar, and I keep it in my refrigerator so that it doesn't explode, because the fermentation process is still going. So if you liked this video, please like and subscribe to LK Lifestyles, and thanks a lot for watching. For more great paleo recipes, please like and subscribe to LK Lifestyles today.